Oratio Imperata for rain due to El Nino phenomenon. Most gracious and most merciful God, Creator, Source and Giver of all things, most powerful in heaven and on earth, we give you honor and glory. We thank you for our home, the earth, for our light, the sun, moon, and stars, for our solace, our family and friends, our community, our neighbors. United as your children, we come to you pleading. Shower us with rain. Provide us with water that we need. Father, your children are begging to survive. Hear us. We desire to live. Prolonged drought is depriving us of the fruits of our toil. Low water supply means hunger and thirst for most of us. El Nino continues to threaten our relationship with one another. O Lord, this is a very hostile phenomenon that we beg for you to end. At this time of looming catastrophe, dear Lord, dwell in our hearts. Teach us to be more generous. Bring out the best in us. Turn our eyes and ears toward the needs of others, especially the poor. Move us to share more, care more, serve more, and love more. Holy God, you sanctify this earth to be our sacred abode. Grant us courage to take in hand the sufferings of the environment. Grant us might to save and protect the beauty of nature. Grant us wisdom to restore whatever we have destroyed. O loving God, behold on us, your beloved children. Feel us, feel for us. Let heaven cry, and its tears be our blessed rain. Have mercy on us, Lord, have mercy. We beg you, most gracious and merciful God, please let it rain. Amen.